Hey everyone, welcome back to our vocabulary series. Today we are diving into three more fantastic words that will elevate your language skills. Ready? Let's get started. Our first word is serene, spelling S E R E N E, serene. Serene describes a state of peace, calmness, and tranquility. In a sentence, the serene lakeside was the perfect place to relax and unwind. Next, we have nebulous, spelling N E B U L O U S, nebulous. Nebulous describes something unclear, vague, or hazy. In a sentence, the details of the plan was still nebulous, leaving everyone confused. And finally, we have solace, spelling S O L A C E, solace. Solace means comfort or consolation in a time of sadness or distress. She found solace in her favorite book during difficult times. There you have it, three enriching words to add to your vocabulary: serene, nebulous, and solace. Use them to express and share experiences in a whole new way. So, until next time, keep expanding your horizons with words that inspire. See you.